What is the importance of chemistry in criminology? The information and innovation related with crime scene chemistry is perhaps the main advances in criminal investigation. Initially, the information and science permits law implementation to discover proof which would beforehand have been totally covered up. How is chemistry used in crime? Chemistry is crucial in criminological science. With chemistry, criminological researchers can portray what occurred here and there on a subatomic level. Chemical analysis can uncover how, sometime in the past, an individual kicked the bucket, which shot the deadly slug, and where the tape that tied them up was made. What is the relationship of chemistry to criminology? The information on and innovation related with crime chemistry is quite possibly the main advances in criminal investigation. First and foremost, the information on science permits law authorization to discover proof which would already have been totally covered up.
Chemistry is one of the crucial subjects that has many components that study and analyze genetic structures and molecules that can provide and produce as evidence in the crime. Because those genetic structures and molecules can be seen in the crime scene where the crime happened. Those things are crucial components that might be helped to get or to detect important things by using those important things as evidence to get initial investigation process about the crime. In the same way, knowledge and learning about chemistry is one of the key to find who, where, why, and how that crime happened or occurred. On the other hand, chemistry is not just a subject that's hard to understand, but chemistry will help you to learn and understand the real-life investigation on how to seek and gather the evidence by finding those fingerprint, hair, blood stain, and saliva to use as evidence. Even though it is a small particle or small substance, it will help a lot to the process in that crime. Therefore, chemistry subject is one of the crucial subjects in the world of criminal justice or as a criminology student, because it will teach you how to find and seek and gather those little substance to make those things as evidence to solve those crimes.
Good day, my name is Edgar P. Turalba Jr. and I will answer the question, which is, what are the contributions of chemistry to criminal justice? Well, I think that the contribution of chemistry to criminal justice is that forensic chemistry is paramount as it seeks to know or in knowing and in identifying biological evidences or proof in criminal investigation. Forensic chemistry has always been a reliable course and it is interconnected in my personal point of view. For example, chemistry explains the collected DNA or something in the dead person or humans in the crime scene, thus it addresses confusions and mysteries. Furthermore, criminal justice requires the branch of chemistry, specifically forensic chemistry, in solving cases and even in taking biological examination. The composition of the human body, and there is a lot more I would have to say. I believe that forensic chemistry plays a vital role in criminal justice given the facts in chemistry or forensic chemistry, which is it focuses on the study of biological phenomena or biological evidences in any criminal examination. I can say that criminal justice needs forensic chemistry in order to carry out certain tasks and activities in criminal investigations. To be accurate in details and results of the crime scene investigations, including of course our unique fingerprints, autopsy, and etc. And lastly, I would have to say that chemistry has a big impact in criminal justice or to criminal in general. And that's all. Thank you.
Chemistry is much related to criminology. It is important because it takes on how the evidence was found and how the laboratory can determine the relevance of that evidence. For us, chemistry is hugely essential. We studied it because it teaches us useful skill by providing responses to questions that only chemistry can answer. And also, it imparting knowledge that will be beneficial in the future. This can be applicable in my course since my course in criminology and criminology has analyzed a lot of cases. Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that is very useful in criminology, particularly in forensic science. As a criminology student, I can apply this to my course since it will assist me in analyzing perplexing instances that cannot be solved without the assistance of chemistry. Toxic substances are linked to every case. The forensic criminal investigation will include identifying this compound. Some might simply assume it is a natural process. However, chemical compounds could also be the cause of death. This difficulty will be addressing by forensic science, which will aid in the investigation of the crime. Another one is locating concealed evidence such as blood stains and especially chemical tests that are used in a criminal investigation, which can be accomplished with the help of chemistry. This allows law enforcement to find evidence that would have been completely hidden previously, examining the suspect's physical portion. For example, because each person's DNA structures is unique, the suspect body part can be analyzed by looking at its DNA structure, which requires organic chemistry, and when it comes to fingerprinting is a must.